some singers out there. Are you ready now? I saw her today at the reception. A glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet, whoa, a footloose man, your partner. You can't always get what you want. Everybody now. You can't always get what you want. There we go. When you can't always get what you want. Yeah. But if you try sometimes, you might find you want to need now. So I went down to the demonstration. Get my fair share of abuse. I said, we're gonna vent our frustration. And if the drum is gonna blow, I think to F you. You can't always get what you owe. You can't always get what you owe. You can't always get what you owe. Try it all time, not fine. You are today. To the Chelsea drugstore, get you a prescription filled. I'm standing in line with Mr. Jimmy. So the mayor didn't love a pretty hit. We decided that we would go grab a soda. Cherry Ray. I stuck my soul to my friend Jimmy. And he said what way to be. And I did. And I said it. Oh, you can't always get what you owe. Can't always get what you owe. Can't always get what you owe. But if you try sometime, not fine. You are today. So, but today at the reception,